and welcome to my channel, which is Complementary Economics. And today's class, it's about the mean group data that to continuous series we're going to discuss. And in the continuous series we're going to solve two different methods. One is direct method, another one is a step deviation method. If you're going to do both the methods, you're going to get the 6 mark in the board exam. So in this way, you have x, which is 0 to 10. Continuous series, you will be not having any fixed number. That is a feature of that. 0 to 10, any number you can derive. So this way, continuous series, you have 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. And you will be having frequency, which is 5, 12, 15, 25, 8, 3, 2. So, when you're going to write x, which is mean, and the frequency, first of all, let me write down, so you please note down the formula of direct method and the step deviation method. The direct method formula is x bar is equal to sigma fm by f. Sigma fm by sigma f. On the other side, for the step deviation method, you have the formula x bar is equal to a plus sigma fd dash divided by sigma f into c. So this is the formula for the step deviation method. So let's go with it now. So first of all, we're going to solve a direct method. The direct method, if you want. So first of all, you have sigma fm. You have to find out m first, because you do not have any m between these two. So in these two, one number, so any of the middle number you have to consider as a midpoint. We call that as a midpoint. So 0 to 10, what is the midpoint? The midpoint is 5. Between 10 to 20, the midpoint is 15. For an example now, how are you going to find out what is a midpoint? 20 plus 10, it will be, it's 10 to 20 here. But if you want to find out how you're going to find out the midpoint, the formula for that is 20 plus 10 divided by 2, because 2 limits are there, so 2. 20 by 10, 20 plus 10, it is 30. 30 by 2, so that means it will be 15. 30 plus 20, it is 50. 50 by 2, 25. 40 plus 30, it will be 70. 70 divided by 2, 35. So this way, by adding these two and dividing by 2, you're going to get the midpoint. So this is the way how you're going to find out the midpoint. So now, according to the formula, you have already have f. So you got to know how to find out m. So now you need fm, sigma fm, the total of summation of fm. So summation of fm, it is like f and m multiplying this. 5 into 5, 12 into 15, 180. 15 into 25, 375, 25 into 35, 875, 8 into 45, 360, 3 into 55, 165, 2 into 65, 130. So calculated, you need sigma fm. The sigma fm is nothing but adding these all now. All the fm what you have, what the numbers you have got, add this. So now you got 2110. So that's called as sigma fm. So now you have everything. The total of the frequency, it is 70, which is called as a sigma f, and you have the total of fm, which is sigma fm. So now we're going to derive this. So sigma fm is 2110 divided by sigma f, which is 70. Dividing this, you got 30.14. The answer is 30.14. This is the first method, one of the easiest method, direct method. So on the other side, even you have to calculate with the help of step deviation method also, because this is, the question demands like that. So if you want to go with the step deviation method, it's not like one or the other you're going with. So the questions demands both. So after the direct method, you have to go with the step deviation method. If you're going with the step deviation method, then these two lines are important, otherwise this is not important. So now step deviation method, the formula is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fd dash divided by sigma f into was doing ungrouped data, arithmetic mean, I've told you how you're going to take assume mean. Assume mean, you can take any of the number in the median. So you do not have a x here. X is two numbers, so you cannot take it in a x. M is also part of x only. So that's the reason why we are taking m. In this m, any of the number you can take. It's not like you have to take only 25 itself, nothing like that. You can take any of the number. So I have taken 25. So I thought it is easy to calculate. So I have taken 25. If you want 35, you can take it as a 35. So I have taken 25 as a assume mean. Any of the number, assuming it. Assuming that as a mean. So that's called as a assume mean. So that's why I rounded. At the same time, I said this is the assume mean which I have taken. So then what you need is sigma f. If it is already available, you have to find out the d dash. If you want f d dash, so first you have to find out the d dash. If to find out the d dash, the formula is m minus a by c. M you already know. A you got to know now. C. What is the c meaning? The c is difference between the class. 10 minus 0, it is 10. 20 minus 10, 10. 30 minus 20, 10. So this way each class, the difference between the numbers, it is 10. So the class difference in each class, C is a class difference. The class difference what you have, it is 10. So C I have taken as 10 now. So let me tell you how we are going to solve this. M in the place of it is 5. A continuously every time you are going to take the same number A which is 25. And C the class difference is all the time it is 10. So I have taken 10. 25 minus 5 is 20. 20 by 10 minus 20 actually minus 20 by 10. So it is 10 ones are 10 twos are minus 2 is the answer. In the same way M is 15 and minus 25 15 minus 25 by 10. So that means it's a 10 by 10 minus 10 by 10. In that case the answer will be minus 1. On here 25 because M is already 25. Assume mean is also 25. 25 minus 25 divided by 10. 25 minus 25 it is 0 divided by 5. The answer will be 0. So this way by M continuously you're going to subtract 25 and with that you're going to divide each time with the class difference. So then you're going to get the answer minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This total of d dash is not required because the formula is demanding for sigma fd dash. So then you have to continue the formula. So you have to continue the process. You have got the d dash. You have f here. So keep multiplying these two. D dash into f. Yeah, f into d dash. So then continuously if you're going to multiply 5 into minus 2 minus 10. Minus 1. Minus 1. Sorry. Here you have to. Oh yeah, correct. So it is 15. I made a mistake I guess here. One of the mistake I have done here. Fd dash. So it is 1 into 12. It should be 12. That's a mistake what I have done. 15 into 0. It is 0. 25 into 1. 25. 8 into 2. 16. 3 into 3 which is 59. 2 into 4 which is 8. 4 twos are 8. By adding this, you're going to get 36. The two minus symbols are there, so subtracting by adding these 4 you have to add, and from this you have to subtract this two minus numbers. What you have, I have calculated this pretty wrong here. So in this case, so then you're going to get the 36. That's called as a sigma fd dash. So now we're going to adopt that to the formula. A is 25 as I told you. Sigma fd dash, it is 36 what we have got. Sigma f you already got which is 70. Class difference I told you it is 10, the class difference between the limits. And now continue 25, 36 into 10, 360 divided by 70, 25, 360 divided by 70, it is 5.14, 25 plus 5.14, that is 30.14. So now you can check direct method answer and the step deviation method answer. They both are exactly same. 30.14, 30.14. You go with any of the methods in arithmetic mean, any of the, if you go with the assume mean method also, all the methods are going to give you the same answer. If any of the answer you're going to get a different one compared to direct method, if you're going to get STM, the standard deviation method formula, your answer is different, so then definitely the method what you have adopted, that will be wrong, the problem will be wrong. Otherwise all the methods are going to give you the same answer. So then in the next class I'll be meeting you guys with median. Thank you so much.